Hello guys, I'm in like loaded place right now and I feel so peaceful here because of the snow. It feels very nice and just sunny as well. So I will show you some solutions that I have found for a technical problem. I think it will help you. So check the video, and if it helps you, just subscribe to my channel. See you. Bye. For watching the video. Did the solution help you? If it did, I would appreciate your support by subscribing to my channel. Thank you again. See you later. Bye. Bye.